Hi everyone, I am Amy Stack, the Regional Tech Trainer for the Mid-American region, and today I'm going to show you how you can create and set up a SmartView for your DTD2 calls so you don't have to hunt and move around your contact columns every time you want to make those calls. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into Contacts on the left-hand side, and you'll see we have our table view here. And I have a filter on, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that filter. And what I want to talk about today is how we can create an easy view for you to sort your DTD2s. Now you could call them, text them, do pop-bys, whatever it might be, but we'll make a smart view here so you don't have to redo your filters every time you want to pull this list up. And then it will also be available on your phone through the command app as well. All right, so you can see we have several column headers here. And we've got our names. Mine are currently alphabetical by first name. You can hit this little up arrow and you can choose to do alphabetical ascending by last name, which is how the DTD2 works. So now you can see that they're alphabetical by last name. And then maybe I want to have specific information over to the right here so I don't have to click into the contact to see all those details. If I come all the way to the far right and hit this little, almost looks like little sliders or columns, you can see all the options you have to turn on or off. So if I'm making calls or texting people, I probably want to have their phone number on. I might want to have their mailing address if I'm doing pop-bys. I maybe don't care about these as much. I probably want to see what their tags are, and if they're recently active, that would be good to know when I'm reaching out. Maybe I want to see if their birthday's coming up too. So I've just toggled on everything I want to see and off everything I don't really care about. And then I have them in an order that I don't really want. I want their phone number right here. I want it to be name and then phone number. So if I hover over primary phone, I'll see these 6 little dots here. I can click and drag those. So I'm holding it and I'm dragging it over. And now that becomes the first column to the right of the name. So you can put these in any order that you want. And once you have it all set up, you're going to go straight to the top and look for this Smart View button. We're going to hit the drop-down arrow. And you're going to scroll and see this button that says Create Smart View. We're going to select that. And then you call it whatever you want. I already have one called DTD2. So we'll just call it DTD2 Test. And then if I want that to be my default view every time I log into command, I can select this box as well. In this case, I don't want that to be, so I'm going to hit Save Smart View. And now I'm going to leave Contacts, and I'll come back in. And you can see nothing showing up because I have those filters on. So if I go up to my Smart View dropdown, and I look for DTD2 Test, there it is. I can select it, and now everything showed up. Now you can also do this once it's created on your desktop. This Smart View will be available on your phone as well. So what that means is that when you pull up these people on your phone and you call or text them, the Command Mobile app will ask you if you want to record any information about that interaction. And you can just go ahead and copy and paste information. If you text them or if you had a conversation, you can just do talk to text on your phone and it will save it right inside your person's contact card. So that is how you create a DTD2 smart plan that's available on your desktop and your Command Mobile app. See you next time.